Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta like a pro. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 200 grams of 00 flour, which is ideal for a tender pasta. Next, crack 2 large eggs into a bowl. A small pinch of fine sea salt is crucial for flavor, and a tablespoon of olive oil can add a lovely elasticity to your dough. These simple components are the foundation of delicious homemade pasta. Now let's get our hands dirty. On a clean work surface, create a well with your flour. Pour the eggs and salt directly into the center. Slowly incorporate the flour from the edges into the wet ingredients, forming a shaggy dough. Once combined, knead the dough vigorously for 8 to 10 minutes. This process develops the gluten, resulting in a smooth, elastic dough that is a joy to work with. After kneading, let your dough rest for at least 30 minutes covered to relax the gluten. This makes it much easier to roll. Now, roll the dough as thin as possible, aiming for about 1 millimeter in thickness. You can use a pasta machine, gradually decreasing the settings, or a rolling pin. Once thin, cut your pasta into your preferred shapes, whether it's classic fettuccine or delicate tagliatelle. Finally, it's time to cook your beautiful fresh pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Fresh pasta cooks very quickly, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes. You want it to be al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite. Drain your pasta, reserving a little pasta water, and immediately toss it with your favorite sauce. Enjoy the incredible taste of homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.